Hello, and today we're going to be looking at this Strike Gundam model kit. I bought recently off Amazon. I think it was £17. This is a entry grade level, so I should be able to do it. It's no tools, no paint, no stickers, no glue. So I'm going to sort of put this together, time myself, see how long it takes, and we'll go from there. But before we start that, I'd just like to give a big shout out to Leonard. Thanks for all your likes and watching the videos, my friend. Thank you very much for that. It's really appreciated. So let's get on. So in the box we have, let's have a look. We have the instructions. So let's see what we got there. So it's a 10-step instruction. I've never built one of these before, so this is going to be fun, I think. And then we have the pieces and the plastic bags. So I think the best thing to do is get started. I'm going to time it, see how long it's going to take me. That's the head done. Yeah, I confused myself again by cutting out the wrong piece, but yeah, a little bit fiddly, but it was alright. It's all clicked together, so yeah, the head is done. Now on to the body. So that's the body completed. That was quite easy. Yeah. So we have the head, we have the body. Right, onto the arms. On to stage 4, which is adding the head on, adding the arms on, and a bit more of the arms. Right, so that's the torso done and the arms. Now onto the waist. That's the waist on. So onto the legs now. Ooh, the weapons. Well, I think I must have missed out some steps because I've got some parts left over, so I'm going to have to go back and find which bits I've missed. Done. No bits left over. Helps if you read the instructions properly, I suppose. What's the time? How long did that take me? Let's have a look. 50 minutes. It will take a few seconds. So that was quite good fun. Quite enjoyed that. I made a model for ages. So yeah, £17, no painting, no gluing. It's quite poseable. Yeah, I think I might. Would I buy it again? Yeah, I think I would do. You know, that was quite an enjoyable 50 minutes. So there we have it.